soup, traditional soup with the lamb and the potatoes. It's good, but not spicy lamb. Randinay. What's your food?
I'm having chicken with mushroom and potato. So tasty. Mine is broccoli soup.
Why do you have the second voice?
Really? Because we're making a video and it tastes very nice. Very good. Very
Okay,
good.
enjoy.
It took 5 hours driving from Irkutsk to Alkon Island.
Oh, it was. Super bitter.
Скажи, зато будет тепло после нее.
Do more warmer. Yes, of course. One more maybe.
Yes? Еще?
So bitter. How do you feel?
Awesome.
What are you doing, Divya? We are walking to the island. You can see that this is sand. All sand. We will walk there. See the cave. I put on the spikes underneath my shoes like this. I don't know if you can see. Like this. It's a little bit hard to walk on ice. เดินยากมากเลยค่ะแต่ว่าใส่ติดรองเท้าไปก็เหมือนแบบมีปุ่มช่วยมีหนามช่วยเดินให้มากขึ้นนะคะ There are spikes on my shoes so it's a little bit easier to walk. It's cracking. Be careful. Mati wants to see the frozen fish. Frozen fish underneath the ice. I want my frozen fish.
At least one, come on.
One more on top. I hope it will be fine. Wait. It's slippery. One more time. Yay! Nice. Fun. Or I make everything fun. Yes.
Baikal is the largest, deepest, and oldest freshwater lake in the world. It's located in the southern Siberia of Russia, north of the Mongolian border. The local people here are called the Buryats. They are the major northern subgroup of the Mongols. At this spiritual place, people come to pray and make wishes. They put some coins and snacks on the rocks.
Present for you.
Oh.
It's local dishes, dessert, sweet. It's berry Nutella, like Nutella.
Спасибо. Divya try first. It's like a candy. How do you like it? It's difficult to explain. This one is vegetables. It's cheese. This is the classic borsi. Beef inside. We will see. Oh, we need to drink. You feel like These are from the cow nearby here. Beef.